Welcome back. Today we are diving into the black box of Python. Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you click Run on your script? We are going to explore the Python interpreter and understand exactly how your code executes internally. First, let's clear up a definition. Python is an interpreted language. This means there is a program, called the interpreter, that reads your code and translates it into computer instructions on the fly. This is different from compiled languages like C++, which translate the entire program into a machine file before you can even run it. Think of it like a live translator. Here is the journey your code takes. It starts as a .py file. It goes through a compiler. Yes, Python has a compiler, which turns it into bytecode. Then, that bytecode is fed into the PVM, or Python virtual machine, which finally executes it. Let's break these steps down. So, about that compiler. When you run your script, Python first checks for syntax errors. Then, it translates your human-readable code into a lower-level format called bytecode. This is why if you have a syntax error, your program crashes instantly before doing anything. Bytecode is a set of instructions designed for Python software, not for your computer CPU. It is platform independent. If you have ever noticed a folder named __pycache__, that is where Python saves this bytecode so it can skip the compilation step next time you run your program. Now we reach the engine room, the Python virtual machine. The PVM is a loop that iterates through your bytecode instructions one by one. It acts as the final bridge, interpreting those software instructions into actions your specific computer hardware can perform. When the virtual machine needs to do real work, like writing to a file or calculating math, it often hands off the heavy lifting to the standard library. In CPython, these libraries are actually written in C, which is why operations like sorting arrays or reading files are surprisingly fast. It is important to note that what we are describing is CPython, the standard version of Python you download from python.org, but there are others. PyPy uses just-in-time compilation for speed. Python runs on Java, but CPython is what most of use every day. To recap, your source code is compiled into bytecode. That bytecode is loaded into the Python virtual machine. The virtual machine reads the instructions and executes them, interacting with the CPU and operating system to give you your final output. I hope this demystified the magic behind the Run button. Understanding this flow helps you write better code and debug confusing errors. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more deep dives into Python architecture. See you in the next one.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.